Hello, welcome back to the video, welcome a new video. Today we're going to talk about tubbing wire. Yes, the tubbing wire makes the solar cell functional. Thus, it simply means this. The current in the solar panel needs to be rated between the other solar cells. This also reduces the voltage between the solar cells, which leads to the same voltage throughout the solar panel. This also results in a different circuit and stability of the solar panels. Or overall, it also serves as a transition between the crystal and the cable. In other words, simply put, thank you for your attention. Thank you to my subscribes. That's all. Goodbye.